Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are looking good. It's still another nice day outside today. Yes, it's cloudy, but it's 86 degrees and looking good. We got Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T, first in the chat. Dark Bro, Big B. We got Ray, Nick F, good morning to you. Aruba Sue, what's going on, man? Dark Bro, Giovanni, next level. Dark Bro, Robert, Jen. We got Tony, Gorilla, next level. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here. Let's check out and see what's happening in the market today. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. It is sitting at $4.58 right now, up 1.5% after having not a rally, right? Had a few green candles this morning, but you look at the action over the last couple of days, man. I don't even blame this on Adam Aaron anymore. I see so many retail investors out on Twitter thinking that this is the direction they want to go. It's nuts, right? They don't want AMC to go up. They want AMC to go down in value because they want a reverse split. They want a squeeze, or they want a conversion. They want dilution. And this is what you get when you want that. So I'm beginning to blame this on Adam Aaron and a lot of the retail investors out there. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 832 points per coin right now, 6.61% higher. Shib is looking good over the last couple of hours, guys. A very nice rally taking place in Shiba Inu coin right now, and hopefully that sustains throughout the afternoon, man. And dude, let's just go back to 1,000 points per coin today. Let's just call it. Let's go to 1,000 points. GameStop sitting at 22.32. AMC, whoa, AMC down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen as well. The Nasdaq sitting at 14,323. Golly bomb, dude. 2% gain in the Nasdaq today. Starting to sell off a little bit. Ooh, Nasdaq selling off a little bit. I bet Tesla, after having a nice rally, selling off a little bit. Yes. This could be a decent time, guys. If this is a daily turn, imagine being able to get in right here as the daily turn takes place, if that's what we got going on. So the Nasdaq sitting at 14,320 at the moment, soaring higher, 2% in value. Dogecoin sitting at 7.6 cents, starting to sell off. Dogecoin coming down a little bit, Shiba coming down a little bit. Got to see if Bitcoin's coming down a little bit too. Ethereum might be turning over as well. Shib sitting at 827. Bitcoin starting to come back down a little bit off the 29.5, sitting at 29.3 right now. Mullinato, man, 11 cents on Mullinato, 11.92 at the moment. Sundial sitting at 153, not 11.53, 153. The SPY, 457. BBIG. Ooh. Did you guys see BBIG today? How did they scam investors this time? Holy smokes. What did they do this time? What are they, diluting them? Wow. I want to see the news on that. No news? I don't know if I'm going to go search Google for the news. This is obviously, something's driving this. BBIG just isn't losing 63% of its value overnight here. Something's driving it. If you guys have already seen what's driving BBIG lower today, let me know. If not, maybe we could go check it out. I guarantee it's the scammers. They saw a nice gain, 5x. They went out and sold some more shares. That'd be my best guess on what's going on there. Netflix sitting at $425.57. Highcroft Mining sitting at 45 cents. We've got QQQ 383.93, 2% gain on the day. Oh my gosh, man. That is a huge gain for an index. Ape sitting at $1.84 right now. MPW at 10.09. Tesla 265.47. Holy smokes. Anovix sitting at 20.24. J-Bones rich once again. He lost some money yesterday. He's making some money today. PID sitting at 18.36 and Joby sitting at 7.93. Let's keep Bitcoin on the chart, and then if you guys see what's going on with BBIG, let me know. But I gotta play a very special Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Pat coming in hot with that super chat. Yes, Pat, dude, thank you very much for going directly through Streamlabs, man. Sending this at 2 o'clock in the morning. Dude's literally super chatting at 2 o'clock in the morning, man. This guy wakes up way too early. Clay, I trust that this finds you well and hydrated. Ooh, we're gonna have that authorized hydration here. Please send my regards to the bro fam and make sure y'all take good care of each other. Guys, let's do a little progress report here. Is everybody taking care of everybody out there? I need to know. And make sure y'all take good care of each other. Also, a special shout out to whomever is first. We got a little dilly to my boy Dark Brilly. Pat, I know you're probably not listening right now, but thank you very much. Guys, if you see Pat in the Discord this weekend, please send a thank you and a shout out to Pat, man. Dude, absolutely killing it. Clearly, he does not have to send super chats, even during the stream. But this man making sure he keeps up, even though he can't partake in the streams, he's up at 2 o'clock in the morning sending super chats, and that is beyond me. That is beyond me. So Pat, thank you very much for that. If you guys see him, make sure to show that dude some love. Hello all, and I will be playing that a couple more times today. Just got to bed for work, checking in to hit the like button 20 times. No, hit it 19 or 21 times. Have to get to bed for work. Gotcha. Kai, hit it 19 or hit it an odd number of times. Never hit the like button an even number of times. What's with the emojis being huge, or is it just me? Well, they look normal on my screen right now. Let's see. I must have missed it. Yes, BBIG bankruptcy. John, is it bankruptcy? Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna have to look at that. Nothing today. What's the goody peeps? What's going on, Mantis? How you doing? Pat, yeah, Pika knows what's good. Hydrate, yeah, Dark Bros over there dabbing on the hydration. I think I'm gonna trade all my Pendle to Unibot while I can. Giovanni is. I saw Unibot last night because it was trending. Where did I see it? Crypto.com app. I was on the Crypto.com app last night and saw Unibot on there. Did it hit 180 yesterday? I thought I saw it at 180 yesterday, man. Woke up today with a crypto glitch. Thought I made 300,000, but for sure, it looks like a glitch. That's a tease. Oh my god, dude. What was it on? What was it on? Let's take a look at it, man. David, what was the gain in? They gave you $300,000 golly bump gain, man. Maybe it's not a glitch. I mean, unless it's, of course, in, like, Shib or something, but... let's see. Pat, baby. Boom. Kenneth's in the house. David, same thing happened to me a couple of days ago. My account's at almost 200,000. Yeah. Crypto keeping you on your toes, isn't it? 200 grand, 300 grand. Oh my gosh. What's up, bro? What's going on, Megan? How you doing? Clay, my man. How can I learn to make profit in the short? For example, now with Shib, it will go down at any time. How do I recognize when to sell and when to buy? Julian, man, do you mean how do you learn to make profit, like, in the short term? Or are you asking how to make profit by shorting a cryptocurrency and making profit, like, as it's going down? Two of those are completely different subjects, so let me know which one you mean, and then we can go over that a little bit better. I will say this, though, right? No trading strategy whatsoever is 100% guaranteed. You will have losses. Even in the best trading plans in the world, you will have losses. You just need to make sure that your gains outpace your losses. Hey bro, what do you think about Jasmy attaining $1 again? I don't know the dilution history of the coin. So Dark Bro, I think that it can, based on the current coins outstanding, but it's a multi-billion-dollar valuation that's not going to be easy. So let's go look at that. Unibot went up to 197. Holy smokes. 197. Shib looking promising this time. Don't jinx it. I'm not going to jinx it, man. Saw your last video. Now the Layer 1 team, the Terra Rebels, and we call the L1TR. Yeah, Aruba Sue, man. I think that these guys they're losing it, man. They're losing it. Combining, and I don't know if they're trying to do it because the people that are left on the Layer 1 development team are friends with the guys from Terra Rebels and with, who was it? Frag and Luke Burn Army leaving the Layer 1 development team. They've opened up a couple slots, so let's just make some combined spend proposals and stuff there. But if you guys want to talk about it a little further, clearly I made my thoughts and my feelings about it. It's very clear in that video. I do not like it, man. I do not like it. I think when you combine spending proposals like that, you're doing what the U.S. government does, man. You know, if the U.S. government wanted $1 billion to fix some roads and some bridges and stuff, I think that they could easily, even, I think Republicans would probably even agree to give Democrats the money to fix roads and bridges and so on. But it's beyond me why, and it happens on both sides, why when you're asking for $1 billion to fix roads and bridges, you've got to go in there and ask for $1 billion to help people learn how to smoke weed. You got to ask for $1 billion to give to your buddies in Canada. You got to ask for $1 billion to renovate your homes. You got to ask for $1 billion to increase Congress's payments. You got to go in there and they bundle all of this crap together and try to hide it in a total spend bill, knowing that some of this stuff should be passed, but let's just get everything else bundled in there together so that we kind of hold people hostage on their spends and get all this. It is utter nonsense, man. It's utter nonsense. So I think that's what the Terra Luna Classic, I guess, the leaders are doing right now. WhatsApp, Claybro, is a 100%. That's true, JB. That's true. WhatsApp is a 100% player, 100% winner. In the short term, like, try to take advantage of the spikes before it go down and then up again. So, Julian, one of the best ways that you can do that, right, is technical analysis. And technical analysis is definitely not a foolproof plan. You can mess it up, and it doesn't always go the direction that you want it to go. Short-term trading. I actually don't know why Shiba Inu coin is spiking up the way that it is right now, but it is on a very nice rally. At any time, yes, Shib could turn its course and begin to move back down lower, but is it likely to just randomly lose steam? No, it's not likely to randomly lose steam. Why? I don't want to say the majority of the traders out there, but traders who are doing what you want to do are looking to different levels in order to take their profits and so on. And they may be a little bit more conservative and try to take profits early, and if enough people do that, clearly you get a random turn. But if you're looking at it right now, you know, this could end up being, we could end up wicking up the same as we did here, attempting a breakout of 800 points per coin. If that's what we end up with, we could be very, very close to our turning point right now, and we begin to move lower. If we continue to move higher, okay, I would say we might actually be able to make it all the way back up to 1,000 points per coin on Shiba Inu coin here. So one thing that you can look at is the technical analysis. I love support and resistance lines. Other guys use moving averages. Other people use like RSI, relative strength index, and things like that. So that is one way you can figure out how to trade in the short term. Clearly, the more trades you make, the more stress it creates because you have more opportunities to be right and more opportunities to be wrong. A buy and hold approach is a much more stress-free, just passive type of income. But if you're looking to trade in the short term, technical analysis could be a way to do it. What usually supersedes a technical analysis is fundamental analysis. If there's a catalyst out there that all of a sudden Elon Musk says Shiba Inu coin is a terrible cryptocurrency, that's likely to drive the price of Shiba Inu coin down. If Elon Musk comes out and says, forget Doge, I love Shib, that's likely to drive Shib up, regardless of the technical analysis. So those are some things that you could look at, but short-term trading, and you might not want to use a daily chart, right? You might end up actually running into longer-term swing trades. You might be holding for a month, 2 months, and so on. if you're using a daily chart. But if you're using a minute chart like this, man, you know, you could scalp some trades. 5 minutes, I actually prefer 5 minutes. But you could scalp some trades on the 5-minute chart and so on. But that's what I'd be looking at if you're looking for some very short-term trades. Don't forget about Jasmy going to $1. Heavy life. Never forget about Jasmy going to $1. Ladies and gentlemen, let's check out Jasmy right now. We're going to go over to CoinMarketCap. We got Casper on the screen, but we want Jasmy on the screen. Jasmy sitting at a $200 million market cap. It's going to be at a $400 million market cap when it reaches 1 cent. It is going to be at a $4 billion market cap when it reaches 10 cents, and a $40 billion market cap when it reaches a $1 price point. Now, almost all of the coins are in circulation. I don't think that they can continue to go in and dilute you any further, but don't think that it's just going to be this easy to go back up and reach a $2, $4 valuation, because there were plenty less coins outstanding during this time right here. But for a coin to reach a $40 billion valuation, it is difficult during a bear market, guys. It's very difficult during a bear market. You can see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and we'll include Ripple and BNB. 37 billion. I don't think any of you guys are going to get mad if Jasmy's at 99.8 cents or something. So you've got these 5 cryptocurrencies. That is it. Only these 5 cryptos in this bear market have better than a $40 billion valuation. So please, don't think that Jasmy is just going to rip up to be a top 5 crypto in a bear market. But in a bull market, these numbers are drastically different. Shiba Inu coin had a $40 billion valuation. Dogecoin had a $40 billion plus valuation. I'm pretty sure Solana had a much higher than $40 billion valuation. I actually don't know if Litecoin has been above a $40 billion or not. But a lot of these cryptos, guys, have been at $40 billion valuations in the previous bull market. This next bull market could be bigger, faster, stronger, better than the previous one. So it is a possibility. I don't know specifically if Jasmy will get there. It is simply a possibility is what I'm saying. NASDAQ has announced the delisting of BBIG today, effective on 7/28. This comes after the board of directors failed to post an earnings report. Thank goodness, man. And BBIG, they have failed to post earnings reports for a very long time. People that ran that company, man, ran it right into the ground. I don't know why they did that. But J-Bones, man, thank you very much for checking that out. BBIG, guys, getting hit very hard today. Seemingly going to get delisted, sitting at $1.72, which is still above the $1.12 lows that it was at. But most likely, man, I would imagine, and you know what? The thing that sucks is I was looking at puts on BBIG. These people... I was looking at BBIG. I was looking at puts on BBIG because I dislike BBIG. I probably wouldn't have bought puts for this Friday. I would have bought them a little bit further out, but holy smokes, man. Look what happens if you would have bought $3 puts on BBIG for today. Oh my gosh, man. That is not a 1,000% gain, guys. That is an 11,000% gain. I hope you realize that is a 110x increase on your money. A 110x increase on your money, and could likely get better as the day goes on and BBIG falls even more. It's sitting at $1.72 right now. The spread is very large, yes. But this is a 110x gain since yesterday's close. Oh, man. I wouldn't have bought them. I can't kick myself. I wouldn't have bought them for July. I probably would have bought them for some time out here a little bit further. I didn't think that they were facing bankruptcy immediately. And nobody's even buying these. We don't have any gains going on here. So that is insane, man. Insane. 11,000% gained on those puts as BBIG got destroyed today. I don't know if anybody had puts in here on BBIG. If you did, congratulations, man. That is absolutely phenomenal. But BBIG getting some terrible news. Hey, bro, it was MetaDoge, David. Gotcha. All right, MetaDoge. Let's take a look at MetaDoge real quick to see if it is actually spiking up or anything. I doubt it is. MetaDoge, I imagine, it's actually down, dude. If it's this MetaDoge, this is down 18.26% today. It did have a nice spike up earlier. But, okay. Dang, man, that doubled it in price. 168 to 300 points right there. It did double in price and then came right back down as somebody took their profit. Unless, of course, it's pulling from bad locations or something. Very, very low volume in terms of amount of people trading. So I don't know if it's this one with only $1,800 volume or not. But it's MetaDoge right there. It is a volatile trade. Shiba Inu coin, man, continues to rip up. Oh my goodness. Shiba Inu coin actually looking very good. It's been a while. How you been? Ortex. Chad, what's going on, Chad? So I don't have any Ortex, Chad. I don't have any Ortex data or anything like that. If you're concerned about short interest, okay, I actually think it's a little bit better to go by the reported short interest, which happens every 2 weeks on Fintel. And what you've got being reported right now is 29% short interest on AMC. 29% short interest is 150 million shares being shorted, being reported as short on AMC. So if you're looking for short interest, the latest report is 29.05%. It's 150 million and I think 1,000 and some odd number of shares that are being reported as short right now. That is very high short interest. That is actually putting you in a better situation for a short squeeze than we have ever been in. But as soon as Adam Aaron gives and sells all of his new shares to the hedge funds, the short squeeze games are over. Need to pick up 100,000 or more, Jasmy. Very nice, Dark Bro. 004, you can get 100,000 at a decent price there. Oh my gosh. How much are gas fees right now have to be insane, man. Oh my goodness. MetaDoge price on my app says 0004. David, I could have been looking at a different MetaDoge though, so let me say that first. Look, you type in MetaDoge, there are several that pop up, man. MetaDoge, 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 MetaDoge. So I don't know which one you were looking at. This might be the one you have, okay? This one does say, 000 and a 4. This might be the MetaDoge that you own with $28 in volume today and 168,000 bucks. I don't know, man. I don't know, dude. I don't know. You may have had $300,000 on this little spike up. You just didn't sell. No, this would have, you would have had to have had like, dude, if you bought, oh, what is this? This is not a 30. This is like a 10x. Yeah. You're deleting a 0. This is like a 5x gain. This would be like a 5x gain. So, if you had 300 grand, dude, you'd have to have like $60,000 invested in MetaDoge, which I highly doubt you do. But it did have a little spike up here, man, and then came back down. But the volume is so like significantly low. It could have just been a price glitch. So, yeah, CoinW, for some reason, is excluded from the overall price calculation. This is currently being excluded from the overall price calculation. It seems as though they were including it on this tick up right here. So it says that it's being excluded, but on this tick, it definitely shoots up to that 002 number, which is what CoinW is pointing to. So they were not excluding it on this bump up right here. MetaDoge, if it's this one, only has $28 in volume today, and it is trading at that 000 and a 4. So if this is the MetaDoge you got, man, this was probably a bad spike up based on $0 volume being traded on CoinW. taking the price to 002. Let's see. Dark Bro Jasmy's on my radar too. Nice, guys. Very nice. Lunk is dumping hard right now. Let's check it out. It actually was not dumping earlier when I was recording that video. So let's see what Terra Luna Classic is doing. Never doubt Shib Army. I doubt. Listen, I do want to make, official statement. I do doubt the developers of the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem. I doubt their intentions. I doubt that. I don't doubt that they can actually build things. They do that. But I doubt their intentions of taking Shib to the next level, right? They're using Shib as consumers and a target audience. So I doubt them. But, dude, I don't doubt people that have been in the game for, over 2 years now and as dedicated as the Shib army is. I don't doubt these people. When they get together and they're willing to do something, the Shiba Inu coin community is very dedicated at this point. So I don't doubt them at all. Shib 30% today. Let's go. Fishing. Let's get it. CryptoX maybe $870 profit. I cashed out and then dropped my $200 back in at a dip that added a 0. Very nice, Kenneth. We'll pull up CryptoX because I believe J-Bones wanted to look up CryptoX as well. Is it on coin market cap? Yeah, it's CryptoX. It is, ladies and gentlemen. CryptoX. Ooh-wee! Dude, somehow Ken is like the best trader of all time. Ken always gets out before it dumps down, and then he always seems to get back in on a major dip. So we'll look at CryptoX right after I say, Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Rain dates. Is it raining? Ah, crap, Chris, don't send that rain my way, man. It's cloudy right now, but it's not raining. Rain day, y'all know what that means. Chris is going fast. Good and fast. Right? Chris is good and fast. Trade of the monkey butt. Hot day off today for work tomorrow. Lost track of time. Hello, my bros. Hello to you as well, Chris. And yeah, dude, glad you got the day off today. It has been ridiculously hot, muggy, sweaty outside. So the fact that you're able to take a little day and rest up today, hopefully the rain does cool things off a bit and it's not as miserable out there working, man, because dude, I've been out in the garage for the last 2 days, and it is muggy, man. I can't imagine, getting grass clippings all over you and sweating like crazy. Landscaping and digging and weeding and all that. That's got to be some hard work, man. Good morning, though, Chris. And Chris, Pika says, hello, Chris. Hi, Pika. I love it, guys. Let's see here. I think the app switched which MetaDoge I bought originally. Either way, let's go Shibby. David, let's get it, man. All right, taking a look at CryptoX really quick, guys. CryptoX over the last 7 days does not have the full graph. It might be better to pick it up here. All right. CryptoX over the last 7 days, basically coming right back down to where it was introduced. This is a pretty big dip. So going from way too many zeros and a 2 down to way too many zeros and the current 6, 7, or 6, 9 that we're sitting at between 6 and 7 here. A 40% dip on the day today. That is a massive decline. A very strange market cap, $666,000. Should make you a little bit concerned there. Fully diluted market cap, $600,000. Volume, 1.5 million. People are looking at CryptoX, guys. Is the fun over with? I do not know. But a $600,000 market cap coin is a very low market cap coin. Kenneth, you did get back in at 200. Did you get back into the 69 price, or where'd you get back in at, man? Can you buy $3 billion in Shib so we can go to the moon? Yes. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Fishing, I will do it. I will do it for you. The thing is, man, if I had $3 billion, we could probably find much better coins to manipulate the price of than Shiba Inu coin. And I don't exactly know what the liquidity pool looks like. But if Shib gained $3 billion in value, let's not make the assumption that it's going to cause FOMO buy-ins. But if Shib gained $3 billion in value, it wouldn't even double in price. So we wouldn't even be back up to, we'd probably be back up to 1,500 points per coin. Now, a run up to 1,500 points per coin, we have seen that before, and it has bounced off of that level of resistance. So if it did trigger FOMO, we could technically go to the moon, and that would be beneficial for me and beneficial for everybody else. But I actually might be better off just passing out money if I had $3 billion. For the 50 of us that are in here, I might be better off just passing out some money than doubling the price of Shiba Inu coin. I would conservatively say, like, if I was able to make money as well and it caused a FOMO event, then yes, I'd rather go that direction. But, okay, if somebody had $3 billion in value for the 50 people in here, if everybody was honest about their Shiba Inu coin positions and doubling it in value right now, I don't think that anybody in here would, and all 50 of us added together, would significantly cut into a $3 billion net worth. I mean, we're talking what? We might hand out $1 million or something, if that. I don't even know if we'll. Actually, I don't know. That could be a possibility, but I mean, do we have a combined $500,000 in Shiba Inu coin in here right now? If it doubled in price, then make $1 million. Like, you might just be better off. Passing out the money at that point, or going in and buying and manipulating a price of a much smaller cryptocurrency higher. Clay bro, see you $3 billion, and I'll match that. Dark bro. Well, now we got $6 billion. Hey, it's not raining now. Just maybe the hottest day we've had this year. Freaking humidity, am I right? But I'm glad to be here. We got an easy day tomorrow, just pruning. Nice, Chris. Gotta love the easy days, dude. Still make some money, and you get a little bit of a rest day, active rest day. Yeah, we got a heat advisory. I just looked over here on the screen. We do have a heat advisory right now. I'm not terribly concerned about looking at that. It says it's only 87 degrees. But, dude, I mean, we've been breaking records for Ohio over the last couple of days. 90-plus degree days here in Ohio. And very muggy, man. I'm telling you. You go outside and you just move for a second, you're drenched in sweat. It's crazy, man. Got back in the 68.99. Very nice, Kenneth, man. Kenneth is a little bit above break even right now. Hopefully it works out perfect for you, Ken. No, Clay, buy $3 billion worth and burn all of it so it stays at that new level. You got it? Oh, my God. Dude, I am telling you right now, I'm just going to be honest, Hemi Life. There is no way humanly possible I would be able to buy and burn $3 billion worth of anything. Even if it wasn't my money. There's no chance I would be able to burn $3 billion worth, dude. I'd be sick every day for the rest of my life, vomiting and wondering what the heck I did by burning $3 billion. Do you think they will postpone the launch of Shibarium to 2024? Justin, if they do that, I'm going to probably rip them in every video until 2024. Just Shitoshi, if you're watching right now, or Lucy, if you're watching right now, since you guys are the only ones on the ecosystem team, if you guys delay and you do not launch Shibarium at the ETH Toronto event, August 15th, or I will give you August 16th. Yeah, there's going to be an arch nemesis born at that point. If I were to make billions in crypto, I'd go back to volunteering as a Tai Chi instructor. That could be my full-time job. Sean, let me tell you something right now. You don't need to make billions to do it, all right? And I truly believe, man, if you get the most enjoyment out of instructing Tai Chi, you should try and make that your path forward, man. You really should. You know, I don't know if Tai Chi's lucrative. Clearly, if you're volunteering, it may or may not be. But, dude, there's probably a lot of people online that would like some Tai Chi instructions and so on. If you are really passionate about Tai Chi, man, follow that passion. Don't sit there and hope you had billions of dollars to be able to follow what you want to do, man. Don't wait for that. Make it happen. I'm playing with the house money in the moment, so we will see where it goes over the weekend. It's at a low, so it can rug or go up. Yes, Kenneth, it could rug or go up, man, and I absolutely hope that it goes up for you. Shiba burns a 0 and comes to 3,000 points per coin. I would have doubled my money. Any word why crypto is pumping? Crypto coin Raul Valdez Reyes. No, and Shiba Inu coin is outpacing the rest of the crypto market right now. If you're looking at Bitcoin is up just slightly, but still bouncing off some of these levels and still very low compared to where it's been over the last couple of weeks. Just bouncing off this technical support at 29,000. If you're looking at Ethereum on the daily is still very low compared to where it's been. I don't think this is a pump. Dogecoin's actually up over the last couple of weeks because of Elon Musk and X, but down over the last couple of days here. I'm not 100% sure why Shiba Inu coin is moving higher. If I had to guess, which everybody else is doing, nobody can determine where, hundreds of millions of dollars are coming from. But if I had to guess, it's a technical break, right? We've got some people getting excited about Shibarium, beginning to buy in, and then technically breaking above this resistance that it tried. So technically breaking above this 800 point per coin level of resistance. We did it here, couldn't sustain it. We did it here, couldn't sustain it. We did it here again, couldn't sustain it. We're doing it here right now. The question is, do we sustain it? If we do, I think we could see a nice rally over the next couple of weeks into the launch of Shibarium, back up to 1,000 points per coin or more. But my best guess is that it's got a technical break going on, maybe on some Shibarium speculation. But the question remains: do we just wick up and right back down, or are we able to sustain that movement? Hopefully we sustain, but I can't say for sure. Isn't Ohio's idea of heat advisory like a cool 75 degrees? Yeah. Yeah. What happened to my green name? Giovanni, you lost your green name. Oh, no. Tony D, thank you very much for the super chat. Try to buy Casper, CSPR. Casper is its own blockchain. Coin market tab says KuCoin, MEXC, Gate.io. I go to buy on those exchanges, says US not supported. Yes. So KuCoin does no longer support any US trades. I do not know about MEXC Global or Gate.io, right? So you might need to look into that a little bit further. So let's take a look at this, Tony, because you're not going to be able to buy it on KuCoin. I know that for sure. And actually, I do want to talk to some people from MEXC. I may start using MEXC instead of KuCoin because I don't use KuCoin anymore. Clearly. Here we're going. Casper. Ow, CSPR. Alright, Casper. 4 cents right now, $450 million market cap. Let's see what we got. KuCoin, OKX, Gate.io. I don't know if it's on MEXC or not, is it? Okay, it does say that it's on MEXC right here. I don't know why you can't buy it on MEXC. I believe that MEXC should allow US trades. Crypto.com exchange, that's an interesting one. You should probably, I want to see, because I'm logged into Crypto.com, let me just see if they allow you to, if they got a buy button or what they got on Crypto.com. Let's see, buy. Nah, you can't buy it directly on Crypto.com. Does not show up for you to be able to buy on Crypto.com. Yeah, if any of you guys own Casper that live in the United States, please let Tony D know how we can get Casper there. Tony, man, I don't own any Casper, and if it's not working for you on MEXC, I understand why it wouldn't be working on KuCoin, though. If it could just stay in the mid-80s and never go up or down, I would be a happy lady. Pika, me too. I often think about that. Until, of course, you get used to mid-80s. Then you're not going to enjoy the mid-80s like you currently do. You're going to want it to be a little bit warmer and a little bit warmer. You're going to get used to it. And it's like the people, it's like all you Florida guys, and like Pudgy, man. Pudgy's probably wearing a winter coat when it gets down to 70 degrees outside. All you guys that live in Florida, you're probably wearing winter coats and put your gloves on when it gets down to 70 degrees outside. So, yeah, I don't know. It is nice, but I don't want to be one of those dudes that's got a big old puffy jacket on when it's 75 degrees outside because I'm cold. I know of a person who can give you close to that in stock market. Charles, man, close to what, man? Close to what? Let me know what you're going close to. Clay, I piggybacked on one of your videos and sent them to your videos on USTC. Just wanted you to be aware. Richie, man, listen, piggyback on all the videos if you want. I really don't care. I mean, if you guys are... You can talk about every single one of my videos if you want. If you just give me a shout out or whatever in it, dude, you could be like the reply guys from years ago in YouTube world. I don't mind that at all, right? Everything that I post is publicly posted to YouTube. As long as people aren't just like downloading my video and then posting it as their own, I have no problem whatsoever with people agreeing, disagreeing, discussing, pointing their opinions out and stuff like that. None whatsoever, man. So, piggyback on them all if you want, Richie. I love it, dude. Thank you very much for letting me know. And thank you very much for 5 green names. Thank you, Richie. Guys, who got a green name? Richie's throwing the green names out. Richie did not get one. Justin got a green name. Kai got a green name. Kevin got a green name. Salkson got a green name. And Refi Space Trader got a green name. Loving it, guys. If you were in here right now and you got that green name, please say thank you to Richie for throwing them out. And if you did not get a green name, please say thank you to Richie anyway, man. The dude just dropped 5 green names, making sure everybody in here is a bro. Loving it. No, I sleep with the windows open in the winter. I'm cold at 54. 54 still isn't like terrible. 54 coming off summer is bad. 54 in the winter would be very nice. Richie's Play Talk. Yes, man. 9:45 in the morning and 93 degrees outside. Gonna be a hot one, man. They all say it doesn't support U.S. traders, U.S. users thinking of trying to test it through KuCoin. Yeah, Tony, I mean, technically you could if you want and then take it off of, you know what, look at, if you've got a Trust Wallet or whatever, look at Trust Wallet and see if you can buy, like, through MoonPay or something. You know, I don't know. I wouldn't want to get into a situation where they ban your account on KuCoin or anything because you're VPNing. But, yeah, they do know, like, they're looking at your IP address, and then they got a little message on KuCoin that they don't let you do anything based on your IP address being in the United States. 72 in my house, even in the winter. Very nice. Next level. Piggybacking on videos. This is pretty standard back in the day. Remember video replies? Yeah, old rounder, bro. And you know, I really don't mind it, right? Like, it is like public domain almost at that point. It's not Creative Commons where you can go out and just make it your own video or anything. But, I mean, that's kind of what you expect, right? You post something, people are going to discuss it, they're going to talk about it. And I really don't even consider it piggybacking. I just consider it, you know, discussing what's being discussed, discussing the discussions. This must mean I'm disgusting. What's that from? I would be absolutely dead. I know I missed something, guys. Sorry. Join the Discord. Listen to DD214. I don't know why I never got any colored names. Drop 20 more names, and maybe I will finally get one. Roulette Wheel. We know you're playing us all, man. We know you're playing us all. You don't have your gift receiving enabled. There's no way that you have your gift receiving enabled. You and John Jay gets green name. John Jay can get a green name, I think. But you in Johnstontown, do not get green names. And the only thing that I can think of is that you guys do not have your gift receiving enabled. I was in bed listening while trying to sleep. Thank you, Richie. Oh my God. Hi, dude. If you gotta go to sleep before you gotta go to work all night or whatever, dude, don't be listening to the live stream right now. Get some rest, man. You did get a green name, though, so congratulations on that one. Richie, you're the man, dude. When are you making the Shiba Inu burn channel? Because you're breaking my heart. Yummy life, man. I gotta get another channel monetized before I could even begin to even want to burn some coins. If it gets below 75 here, people start to freak out. Tommy, where are you from, man? Where you from? Because that is true. I mean, basically, it's hot here at 87 degrees right now. 75 is beautiful. 77 is amazing. 80 and like not with the sun beating down on you might end up being perfect, but yeah, dude, it's probably a pretty warm and humid day out there right now. Kenneth coming with another one. Tommy's from Miami. Yeah, I can definitely see people freaking out at 75 degrees in Miami. Kenneth, man, there will be no green names in the chat. Roulette wheel, I see what you're doing there. We got Megan with a green name. Havoc's got a green name. Mr. 55 got a green name. Mike Garcia got a green name. And King Mamba grabbing a green name. Maybe they'll bring King Mamba back. We haven't seen King Mamba in a while. Tommy, I can tell you right now, you don't have your gift receiving enabled. Click on what Kenneth sent over, man. Enable your gift receiving, and you can get, and this dude doesn't have a green name either. You can get a green name almost guaranteed the next time. Roulette wheel, I think you're tricking us all. We know that you don't have it enabled. And then the principal, click on that and enable your gift receiving, my friend. There shall be no gray names in the chat. Everybody rocking a green name right now. Richie, man, thank you very much. Kenneth, thank you very much. Tony, thank you very much for the super chat. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat earlier. You guys absolutely killing it today, and I cannot say thank you enough for everybody that supports this channel the way that you guys do. It is awesome. Tony D throwing his thanks out there. We got next level, fist bumping King Mamba for grabbing that green name. Megan saying thank you for the green name. Love to see all the green names in the chat right now. Guys, AMC getting a little, look, I can't even get excited about this green line right here because it's only moving from 458, almost 459, to 460. It looks a lot bigger than it is. And unfortunately, with as tight as AMC's trading today, this is a little bit better of a representation. Yeah, maybe this. This is a little bit better of a representation of the actual price action. Swinging from $4.50 to $4.60, back down 5 cents, back up 5 cents, and so on. Shiba Inu coin at the top right, coming back down a little bit right now, sitting at 828 after touching 845. That's a decent decline back down from the 845 that we were just at. Bitcoin sitting kind of sideways over the last hour or so, 29,360. Hopefully, we see a nice bounce into the afternoon here, and it continues all afternoon long. Hey, peeps, hope you're all good. Stig Beater, what's going on, Stig? Stig's got a great one, too. Rich is playing talk. You're welcome, man. Loving it. Cheers! Have you had a chance to discuss QS by any chance? Mr. 55, no, we have not discussed QS. Let's take a look at it. Ken just gave 5 green names. I only count 4. Am I missing something? Well, let's see. I thought I had 5 there. Megan, that's 1. Havoc, 2. Mr. 55, 3. Mike Garcia, 4. And King Mamba, 5. Yes, you're missing maybe King Mamba? I don't know who you were missing on there, but that's 5. Megan, Havoc, Mr. 55, Mike, and Ken. Or King Mamba, sorry. All from Ken. I got 5 on that one. Luke Layer 1 team and needed change as soon as possible. I can't see the green names. I'm colorblind. JD, that's because you got a gray name. All of the gray names, you're colorblind. Otherwise, you guys would have green names yourself. Yeah, JD, man. The Luke developers are getting a little strange to me. There's no other way to put it, right? I don't think, and I'm glad they're going to be putting this up for a vote. I would be disgusted if the community actually approves it. I don't think we should be burning dormant wallets. Okay, it's none of my business if somebody wants to let their money sit and not use it. It's none of my business to take that money and either give it to myself or take that money and burn it. It's not mine. right? So I think that that's crazy that that's even up for discussion. And then this recent thing with the Layer 1 team and the Terra Rebels joining together is also a little weird. I get it if they want to collaborate. Okay, cool. If they want to split up some work between each other or play to their strengths, okay, cool. But the part that I don't like about it is combining spend proposals. No, I don't think that, because with people so supportive of the Layer 1 team, it's almost like they can hold us hostage. Well, vote for the Layer 1 team. If you want the Layer 1 team to continue working on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, you need to bring the Terra Rebels along with you. I don't think that that's a good idea. I don't like combining two random spend proposals, one of which people really want to pass, and the other of which people don't want to pass, and kind of, pulling a U.S. government move there. I think that that's a bad idea. So, yeah, man, we're going to have to see how that plays out. AI Doge, your opinion. I purchased during pre-sale, and it doesn't really look like it's going to do anything but losing ground. Jeff, let's look at AI Doge, man. I don't have any. We don't really look at AI Doge. I think we may have looked at it during the pre-sale or something, but it might just be one that didn't catch on, man. And that's the hard part with all of these little meme coins, man. Is it this one? Or is it this one? I don't know if you're talking name AI Doge, ticker symbol AI, or ARB Doge, AI Doge. You gotta, I don't know which one. Let me know which one you're talking about. If it's this one, that's tough, dude. This had a lot of attention back in May when Pepe was running and has been fading off pretty nicely since. If it does not get hype again, it'll most likely continue fading, man. There's no other way for me to really put that. And I'm sorry if you're down on it. And I'm saying it can continue fading. But if it doesn't get some hype and excitement surrounding it, what would drive it higher? I don't know if that's the right one, though. So if it's the wrong one, let me know. Can't see King Mamba's name as long as there's 5. Yeah, King Mamba's name was in there. Let's see. All the names are the same color except the blue. That is because you got an Android phone, right, Roulette Wheel? You got an Android phone. Probably on Samsung. Congratulations, that's a good one. The green names, they do show up green on my Streamlabs here, but the green names have the little icon next to them. Like DD214's got that Bro Diamond, Ken's got the Gorilla, Dark Bro's got that little purple thing, J-Bones has the blue skull. So you'll see the icons next to the names of people who, yes, do show the same color, except for the blue moderator names. Thanks for the sub, Havoc, man. Yes, appreciate you guys saying thank you, man. That's a lot of people that aren't like super active in the chat. When you get a green name, I'm not even sure if you're in here, but when you say thank you like that, it does mean a lot. Can't believe the Loon community votes yes for some of the stuff that they do. Yeah, next level, it's crazy. A lot of it I think that they do vote no for, but then major validators like All Nodes and Orion and stuff come in and swing the votes in whatever favor they want. I say we wash your hands of both teams, Lunk and Shib. Let's get some people who can actually do something and care about the projects. Yeah, Dark Bro, wouldn't that be like a utopia? Wouldn't that be a utopia that we would live in there? Dark Bro, we'd burn it all. Be like, I don't know what happened. I don't know. It just burned all of it. Kenneth, look into Ledger and set it up with a passphrase, and then no one is getting anything unless you use your passphrase. That's what I'm researching. I see green and light green. Roulette wheel. Well, you've got gray right here and no icon. This dude sees green and light green. I don't know what you got. Kalani with a diamond sun. Oh, stick meter, yes. We got Richie's Play Talk throwing out with 5 more. Yes. Roulette wheel. I know for a fact, dude. I know for a fact you don't have your gift receiving enabled, or you would have got one from Richie there. And then Principal, he doesn't have it. And then who's the other guy? JD, David. You guys got to click on what he sent and enable your gift receiving. Oh, no, David got it. David got it. So, JD, man, enable your gift receiving. Stick Beater grabbing that green name. We got David grabbing a green name. Jim from Wales grabbing a green name. John Tiki's grabbing a green name. And Ira D grabbing that green name. Richie's playing talk, man. Thank you very much for throwing those green names out there. Absolutely appreciate you, man. Ken, thank you very much again. And all of you guys that sent super chats and green names today, killing it. Tony, I do need to get one of those. I have a treasure, but it does not hold every token. Shib's up 6%. Shib is looking very good today, being up 6%, right? Shiba Inu coin sitting above 800 points per coin. This is what I want to maintain on the day. If Shiba Inu coin can stay above this red line, I think that it's going to be looking very good. We have done this several times over the last month and a half. Bouncing from that $500 point per coin up to 850, where we're at today. Tested it, fell. Tested it, fell. Tested it. I hope we do not fall today, but we're able to sustain a break back above 800, 850, and then we're testing the 900 to 1,000 point per coin mark again. How do I change gift receiving enabled? Roulette wheel. Luckily, Pika, if you're in here right now, please help him out with the link that he needs for changing his gift receiving. If you can't click on what they sent over and enable your gift receiving, I believe you can go into your YouTube settings and then memberships, click memberships or manage memberships or something, and there should be a button where you can receive memberships right there. So if not, PK can definitely help you get that green name. Let's see. I'm not big time day trader, but I am a holder, and all my stuff I'm not selling is in a cold wallet. There you go. And you know what? That is a different strategy, but it absolutely works out in at least reducing some stress as well. I'll tell you right now, I've held Zcash since 2017. I literally feel zero. I don't even think about Zcash. Right? Once you hold it past a certain period, you literally don't even think about it. It's just something that you own at that point. You rise with it, you fall with it. It doesn't even tempt you to sell it and so on. Thanks for the green name, Richie's Playing Talk. Stick Beater, thank you for saying thank you, man. David saying thank you. I love it. It was just AI Doge, not ARB. Okay, David or Jeff. Is it this symbol though, or is it the other one? Is it this one? AI? Is it this one that you got into that came out at the beginning of July here? That's been doing nothing but basically coming down? This one, man, this one's probably a little bit worse off than the other Doge there. It's got a $2 million market cap, but it's only doing $3,000 in daily volume there. So let me know if that's the one. Look up. Pika! I love it, Pika. If you guys really do want to receive a green name when somebody gives them out there, if you click on that link that Pika has, I'll try to pin it to the top right now. But if you click on that link, right, and then you change your membership gifting to on, you should be able to receive a green name the next time that somebody sends one out. So Pika, thank you very much for posting that link right there. Roulette Wheel, Johnstontown. John Jay gets the green names every now and then, so I think John Jay's got it enabled. But if you guys want the green name, make sure your gift receiving is on. Apparently, I'm not part of the cool club anymore with no green name. Giovanni, man, you let it expire. Come on now. That's the only problem. It doesn't support all the tokens, but I found with ERC20 crap coins, I can still send them to the ledger and see them through my trust wallet. My Mu is my Ethereum wallet. Let's see. Can you please look at QS or maybe Cardano? Yeah, let's take a look at QS real quick. And Cardano's not really doing too much today, is it? Quant Stamp. Isn't this the one, or was that just Quant? I think that was just Quant. Okay, Quant Stamp is a different one. This might be when Quant was running. Dang, this is not bad at all. So, Quant Stamp running from basically a cent to 12 cents back here. This is an interesting coin. Sitting right now at 1 cent again. This is an interesting one. I'm going to look at this a little bit more, okay? This is not one that's on my radar. I haven't seen this one before. But if this is in any way related to quant, and I don't know if it is, this was a token that a lot of people were very excited about a couple of months ago. So if you look at quant had ran from 25 cents back in 2019 all the way up to $394 during the bull market, back down, and then had a nice run towards the end of 2022, going from $50 to $200 there. So this is not a bad one here. Quant stamps. Is this the one you're looking at? This is QSP. This is not QS. Ah, come on. Well, look, QSP. That's not the one you were talking about. But QSP is another decent one that we could look into. Unfortunately, it's past 1 o'clock. Very sorry for going on a rant about QuantStamp, if that's not the coin you wanted to look at there. QuantumScape. All right, yeah. Mr. 55, we can look at it, but it's already after 1 o'clock, so we'll look at it in the afternoon live stream. Very sorry to do that to you and go on a little 5-minute rant about a coin that is the wrong coin. But moving from 1 cent to 12 cents, that coin's got some potential there. So please make sure to look at it, and we'll look at QuantumScape or whatever it is during the afternoon live stream. Principal, also, man, click that link and just change your gifting to on. If you guys need help with that. Pika, thank you very much for posting that link there. Tony D, guys, get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and then we will be back this afternoon with our live stream there. Principal, enjoy your day. Dark Bro, enjoy your afternoon, man. Pika Power, thank you very much. Tony D, Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby, dabbing on them as always. Pudgy saying peace out of the diamond-handed disco poodles. Oh, yes. DD214, man. See you later, Carlos. Enjoy it. Mr. 55, enjoy your day. Giovanni, man. See you later. Chris, have a great afternoon. Enjoy your day off. Pudgy, see you later to the Pudgy Wudgy, baby. Roulette wheel, see you. Pudgy, Giovanni. Mr. 55, it's a stock, not a crypto. All right, Mr. 55, we'll check it out in Weeble when we get back. And I am very sorry about that. DD214, Dark Bro, Old Rounder, Tony D, Roulette, Havoc, Raid to Silver, later to you. Ken, man, if you're in here, thank you very much for the memberships today. Richie, if you're in here, thank you very much for the memberships today. Chris, appreciate the super chat. Tony D sent one as well. Thank you guys very much for the super chats and all of the green names. Shout out to Next Level, DD214, David, Richie's Playing Talk, Pika Power, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, David. Crypto Cone Raul, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.